Hello guys, how are you? Yes, finally I just finished the SDK for full integration with the ZATCA API using VB.NET. As you see here, this is the final result. It's for reporting the status of simplified invoice. As you see here, I just created the database table in MySQL and I insert, here's the reported, and here is the reported or clearance, depends on the type of invoice. Here is reported, is mean this is for they call it for compliance, API comply, which means that the file or the XML file, it's comply with ZATCA or KSA standard. After that we send it to ZATCA API for reported. This is for simplified invoice. Now if we want to test for standard, just only we need to change this one manually here. The order subtype is 01, which means the invoice, the fatura, is standard invoice. Now after I run the code again, we have to see here is cleared. The cleared is sorry, is different. Okay, if we go there, just stop the code and run it again. Sorry. Now let's see. Okay, now the clearance, see the clearance now is cleared, so it's not reported. Now if you go there to database, the database table should be updated with all values. See here, cleared. It means this is for standard invoice. I updated this one just as what I prefer. I update the QR code because this QR code is now taken from or given by ZATCA API reply after send it to comply. Okay, I took also the XML hash, the Exodus file, the Exodus value, signature also value. I prefer to save it and keep it because this one is it's particular for every invoice, plus the invoice API encoded. So also I prefer to keep it here inside my database. Plus the reported, this column is for API clearance and this column for reply from the production after get the production CSID. So hopefully this just short video, it's showing you that what is the result I get here. I just did this code, all values is taken dynamically from the database. Hopefully this one is also include the allowance and credit note, debit note, all calculations are correct. So if you need any information, just send it here or to my email as showing in the description. Thank you for viewing and hope this is beneficial for you. Thank you. Assalamu.